The question posed on the YouTube is, Rimsha Rafi, can pregnant women pray Salah while sitting? As far as praying Salah is concerned, if a person is healthy, he should pray as the prayer has been taught by beloved Prophet. But if a person is sick or has a medical problem, it is perfectly permitted for him to sit down and pray. As Allah says in the Quran in Surah Nisa chapter 4, verse 100 and 102, that you can pray while standing, you can pray while sitting, while lying, it's permitted. So if you have a problem, if you're pregnant, and if you feel you cannot stand and you are more comfortable sitting and praying, it's perfectly permitted. If you have a knee problem and if you cannot do sujood or go down and sit on the chair, if it's a medical problem where it's difficult and painful for a person to do all the postures in the Salah, then it's very well perfected. You can pray while sitting. If you're so sick that you cannot sit down, you can even pray while lying. All these are permitted.